Today we're going to make Escovitch sauce, a popular sauce in the Caribbean. The ingredients are carrots, red and green peppers, Scotch bonnet peppers, onion, pimento, white sugar, vinegar, oil, and salt. Remember to keep your mind stayed on Christ, and He will keep you in perfect peace. Let's chop our vegetables. We're going to wash them with vinegar to get them clean. I'm going to cut my sweet peppers into elongated slices and remove the seeds and the inside from each pepper. Put your stove on medium heat and add oil. Then add all your vegetables. Remember, the vegetables should not be too soft after sauteing. They should still be a little bit crunchy. Saute your veggies for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now add your carrots, pimento, Scotch bonnet peppers, and continue sauteing. Now add 2 cups of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half cup of sugar. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes. The aroma. I can definitely smell the peppers, vinegar, and vegetables. This sauce smells good. Remember to let it simmer for 5 minutes. After simmering for 5 minutes, this is my end product. Normally, Escovitch sauce is stored in a jar in the refrigerator and placed over fried fish. I normally keep my sauce for up to 2 weeks. Remember to give your heart to Christ and see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.